The purpose of this video is to provide you with an introduction on how to use a pipette. Shown here, a pipette is a device used within labs to transfer precise amounts of liquid between one container and another. This shot here shows basic pipette equipment, the pipette itself, a box of pipette tips, which are what will actually hold the liquid. They're disposable so that there's not cross-contamination of liquid. And then obviously anytime you're using a pipette, you'll need two containers, one that you're transferring the liquid from and another that you're transferring the liquid to. The front of the pipette shows the volume that is set to dispense, and the top of the pipette has two buttons, a button to eject the pipette tip and then a button to dispense the volume of liquid. The main button of the pipette has two stopping points, an initial one and a full one. It's important to notice the difference between the two in order to use the pipette correctly. When you're ready to use your pipette, the first thing that you'll need to do is attach a pipette tip to the end. We normally keep these in trays that allow for easy installation. You simply push the pipette down into the end of the tip and it will simply lock in place, shown here. When you're using the pipette, you will push down to the first stop to release any air in the pipette, insert the pipette tip, and then simply release all the way and it will suck up the water. Then, to eject, you push the button down all the way. To show that again, you'll push down to the first stop, insert the pipette, and then release. Then, you'll move to your second container and push all the way through past the first stop to the end to eject all water. If you've done this correctly, it should look something like this. An initial loss of air, you insert the pipette, and then it slowly fills with water with no air bubbles. If you press the button after inserting the pipette tip, it can cause splashes. And if you release the button too quickly, it can cause air bubbles within the pipette. Once you're done transferring the liquid, all you need to do is eject the pipette tip by firmly pressing the eject button.